Let's make this super cute boho craft kit that I scored at Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I had gotten this wood bead wreath, and I had this boho craft kit that I got at Dollar Tree. I also bought a couple of packages of the felt flowers. Now, it comes with this wire wreath thing. We're going to save that for another project another time. But it also came with this string. It's like a suede leather kind of string, and we're going to just tie it on the top in between the beads for the wreath. I know it sounds crazy, but I did it this way because we're going to hide that connector piece on the bottom. All right, so these are the leaves. I put a little glue in the center and I'm going to pinch the center together. I just want to give them just a little bit of dimension to make it look a little bit more upscale, make it look a little prettier in my mind. If you do not like this, though, don't. But that's what it looks like. That last frame was just what it looked like without and what it looked like with. Again, I'm going to do the same thing, a little bit of glue in the center, and then I just pinch them so that it just pops a little bit, and see, that's what it looks like, the difference. Again, I did the same thing with this one. I used some tweezers with this. You don't have to, but it helped a little bit. And again, you don't have to do that. These are the little felt flowers, and they come with 2 little flowers, and then the leaves, there's actually 2 of them in there. Super cute, right? And then they have also 2 of the darker leaves. And again, they're kind of stuck together, so you have to pull them apart. I took a little blending brush from Dollar Tree and some ink, and I'm just going to muss up a little bit on those those lime green leaves, just so that it makes it a little more country for me. And then I'm going to put some glue on our wood beads, and I'm going to kind of shape the leaves because they're on wire. We're going to shape it so that it goes around the wreath, and we're just going to glue it on. Perfect. Next, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put a little glue on the other leaves, and we're going to glue those on. Easy peasy. I will be honest with you, I did not think this was going to work, and yet it did. I was so excited. Then I am adding some more of the leaves. Now, these leaves, I actually pulled the wire off of them just because it started to get a little bulky at the bottom, and I just wanted to see if it would work, and it did. But you could leave the wire on it completely. This is just optional, but I was just trying something out. And I put a little glue on the back of that, and I glued that to our wreath. Next, we're going to kind of sneak in. These are the little leaves that came with the flowers. I'm just sneaking them in here and there on the wreath, wherever you think looks right. You know how I'm not great with florals, so I know somebody that's really good at them is probably like, don't put it there. It's fine. Then we're going to add on our flowers, which I love. I love, love, love felt flowers. It's my jam. I love it so much. And again, these are the leaves from that kit, and I'm just putting a little glue on, and I'm just sneaking them in here and there. It also came with these little like white pom-poms, and they're on wire. I took them off the wire, and I just glued them on. And stop it. Look at how cute this looks. I mean, I love it. And yes, I know. I am as shocked as you that I didn't distress those wood beads. I might go back and do that. But look at how pretty. And this was all from Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? Just a little bit of tweaking here and there. Put a bow on it maybe. I don't know. Maybe it'll give you a good idea. Who knows? Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.